How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about, is wine good for you every day? So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So wine contains polyphenols. These act as antioxidants. They help to lower the bad LDL cholesterol and boost the HDL cholesterol. So when people say to you that, is it bad to drink wine every day? Just tell them it can improve their cholesterol. Wine is also good for your heart. It prevents blood clots and can lower your blood sugar. I highly recommend, though, that you don't have more than 1 glass per day. Also, wine isn't that high in calories. It has only 80 calories for a small glass. So if you're looking to lose weight as well, having 1 glass of wine a day will not add up to a lot of calories. Just make sure, again, you only have 1 glass. If you're drinking the whole bottle, then it will lead to weight gain. Just drink it in moderation, and by moderation, again, I mean 1 glass a day, and you will be fine. Another benefit is that if you drink wine daily, and only 1 glass I might add, then you are at a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. The flavonols in wine protects your body cells that support the blood vessels. This prevents plaque from developing. Another great health benefit of drinking wine. So in the end, wine is beneficial to you, and it's okay to have wine every day as long as it's in moderation. And by moderation, I mean 1 glass per day. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.